Hello my friends, this is Vincent Cameron with the GoGoWebsites.com team. In this video we're going to give you an overview on how to post to your built-in blog platform on the custom distributor website. Now, as you can see here, we are on the blog page and it's over here underneath the blog. Now this is an incredible tool that you can utilize to be able to distribute all the content to make sure that you're seen in search engines, as well as the ability to share content with your distributors and really get the word out on It Works itself and who you are as a go-getter business builder. So let's get started. We're going to first of all go ahead and log into our back end, our dashboard, make sure that we're all set to go. Over here on the left navigation, we have the ability to view all our posts and be able to edit those within inside the dashboard, as well as click on Add New. This will get us started to be able to get the content. Now let's just go over the actual page itself. In here is the title of the blog post, and I went ahead and got some content ready for us so that you don't have to watch me post an entire blog post here in front of you. And down here is our actual WYSIWYG editor, which is what you see is what you get. We have a lot of ability and a lot of easy custom built tools inside here so that you don't have to be an HTML or a web designer to be able to design a nice looking post to be able to distribute to your subscribers as well as the public. Over here on the right hand side, we've got members access only, so we can go ahead and block this, and let's just say that you're putting some content out there for your distributors and you only want it to be available to them. You make sure that that's selected, and that'll give only the distributors the ability to see this content. And as you can see here, once the title is in place, the website itself is completely optimized and very search engine friendly. It pulls out a full ready to read website address instead of having a bunch of jumbled up numbers and question marks and stuff that search engines really don't like to see. This is built into the custom built blog platform that's inside your distributor website. To add content, you simply, or add any kind of media from your media library, what we want to do is select add media here, and I already got a predetermined image to be able to use. Over here we've got the title of the image. We can put an alt tag so that when you scroll over the image, that'll be displayed. We've got the ability to center it, left justify, right justify it. We can link to any piece of content inside the website itself or a custom built URL. In this case, I'm just going to leave none. And then again, the full size, we can either use a thumbnail, a medium size image, or a full size. In this case, I'll put a medium size. And then once you're all ready with the image that you'd like to embed, you simply select Insert Post. Now we've got our image here all left justified, ready for me to put some text content, wrap that around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make sure it's in the HTML so that my H2 tag sticks out, but we can go ahead and pretty that up a little bit more with all the options here available to us. Left justify, we can change the color, make it a little bit more It Works friendly. We can bold, we can put quotes out there. So as you can see here, the Ultimate Body Applicator, so maybe you might want to take that and link that back to the Ultimate Body Applicator page within inside your distributor site. And to do that, just make sure this drop down is selected or linked to existing content. You can go ahead and search. So I'm going to make sure that I've got the body applicator up here. As you can see here, it does change in real time, so we can Ultimate Body Pack, Ultimate Body Applicator, where are you? Alright, so what's the Ultimate Body Applicator? That's inside the Frequently Asked Questions section, and there it is here. The Ultimate Body Applicator is the page I want to do, so I've got it now automatically populated for me. My URL's got the shop, Body Applicator, It Works, so this is going to link directly to the Ultimate Body Applicator from inside the post to my page for the product itself. Maybe you want to bold something, we can italicize it, we can make it a little bit larger, we can add bullet points, all with the click of a button. Again, completely HTML friendly. You don't have to be a web designer, like I said, to be able to design a pretty looking piece of content within inside your website. And here, this little plus sign, what this allows us to do is add what's called shortcodes. And shortcodes allows us to do, again, very high-end designs, but without the need for design. So we've got, like for example, we've got a nice little pop-out window here that gives us the option for columns. We've got H1 tags. We can embed pretty images with borders and left justified and make them pop out in its own window. Lots of different options. You can go ahead and play around with this and then just make sure to preview it and make sure the post is what you'd like to see before putting it out to the public. Very easy one-click video from all the most popular video sites out there. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a video from YouTube, and then we can customize that, the width here as well as the height. So I'm going to just make that a little bit bigger. And again, we've got the URL here. All we need to do now is take the URL of the video we'd like to embed. In this case, I've already got my video in place and ready to go. I'll paste that in there. And then a little bit more content possibly, maybe another image. I mean, it's all, again, very easy. What you see is what you get. So this is exactly what the content is going to look like once it's been published to the public. So I'm going to maybe put a nice little call to action up on the bottom here through my predefined images within inside the media file. We've got join It-Works and become a distributor. I'm going to maybe want to center that. And the link, of course, is going to be custom. We're going to put that over to me as a distributor, so it's always under recommends. These are all, again, inside your backend. So I'm going to put distributor here. Make sure that it goes to my distributor site. So if people click this link, and to add links to anywhere, again, you just click on the link here. So if it was an image, for example, I want to make sure that this link is available. I can link to any piece of content inside the site and click on insert. Now on the sidebar here, depending on, like if, for example, this was a members only, we'd want to use the members sidebar so they have access to all the members tool sidebar. If it was a product related post, we probably want to use the shop so that we can upsell and downsell these guys based on content on the sidebar. Or again, if it's just a standard post, maybe you'd like to use the default sidebar, and that's the sidebar that's found inside your home page. We've got the customized search engine optimization plugin, so you can customize the title, the description, all the keywords that are found, so that it's extremely friendly when it comes to search engines, and you can really optimize these blogs to get some real organic free traffic from the search engine. So to keep this video nice, short, and sweet, I just want to go over the main features of posting to be sure that you understand all the features here. Again, but before putting it public, maybe you'd like to want to preview it, and that'll give you a real live view of what's to come inside your post so that you're happy before making it public. So the preview window does display exactly what it is that you're going to see before making it public. So here we have an example. My video, maybe I don't like the text running down the side of my video here like this. So what I'd like to do is go back, make sure that my video has been separated. Maybe we can highlight this and make it center justified so that it doesn't wrap the text around it, making sure it's a little bit prettier. Go ahead and make sure the preview is available, and then once we're ready and we're satisfied with the way that our blog post, our piece of content looks, we can go ahead and click publish. And in a few easy clicks and seconds, we've got ourselves a nice piece of content available for the search engines to crawl, for other people to be able to see it and pull them into our business and sell products. So let's go ahead and view post here. We can view post here or view post here. So there's plenty of different ways to be able to go ahead and see that post before making it public. So here it is. We're now Mark Pentecost, the man behind the wrap. We've got a nice bio about the CEO and the founder. We've got some links into our content to be able to upsell people into products. We've got our video all set up and ready to rock and roll. Again, the justifications here. So, for example, you've went it public or you've previewed it and one of the links doesn't work or you don't like what you see. We've got our admin dashboard up here again to click on edit post, and that'll take us back to be able to make sure that this is nice and pretty in the way that we want it to look. Now, inside every single one of your content, there's no need to be able to post anything or try and upsell people. We've got all that done for you inside of the blog sidebar, as well as the nice call to action on the bottom of each blog post. This will allow you to start to build your list and follow up and really maximize your conversions into product sales as well as distributors. Now, of course, each one does have the next and before post, so if the more content you have, the more chances you have of being seen in search engines, the more chances you have of getting traffic. I mean, it's all about traffic, conversions, and building your business. And that's all there is to it. Posting a complete piece of unique content available for the public, comes pre-built with your independent distributor website. To get started today with your very own custom-built independent distributor website with a complete shop, before and after, frequently asked questions, and of course your custom-built blog, visit gogowebsites.com.